Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in this video I'll be showing you how to create Notion template. So guys, you want to start making templates on Notion and possibly earning from your templates on Notion. It's quite easy to do this. I'll be showing you how to get it done in a couple of minutes. Your first step would be at the home section after logging into your account. Just simply find one of your pages or databases that you want to share as a simple template. So I'm going to be going ahead and selecting the daily planner as mine. Once you have selected any of your templates, all you need to do here is click on the share at the top right corner, and then just beside share we have publish. So go ahead and click on publish and then click on publish again. And once you have selected this option, you'd see the option to duplicate as a template. Make sure this is turned on and then simply copy this link. Now, this is important as this is your link. This becomes your link. You can change, the title of your planner when you subscribe to Notion Plus for access to change it. But for now, it's set to just this title. Now, make sure this is turned on. Copy this link. And once you have copied it, just simply go ahead and open up a new page and then use the Control key and V to paste on your Windows computer. If you're on MacBook, I believe it is the Command key and V. And then all you need to do now, once you've copied that link, is to simply hit enter. And once you've hit enter, it's going to look like this. Basically, the link would look like this as it represents this link over here once you have hit enter. So once the page fully opens up, alright guys, so once the website opens up, because it's going to open up as a website, go ahead and click on duplicate. And once you have clicked on duplicate, you're going to be taken to a new page for the same template, but this time there's going to be a little twist. The twist being that now you can officially add the template you created, or rather your worksheet or your page or your database. You're going to add this as your new template. It's going to be a new template added to your Notion account. All right, and the pop-up is here, so just go ahead and click on add to private, and boom, the template is being added. And now once it's done, you can now simply add this template, or rather use this template as a template. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.